much now.
See, I caught this on camera.
This video was originally intended to be either a reel or a YouTube short, actually both of them. However, I set up my camera in a YouTube format without realizing it. And then when I realized that I wasn't shooting a YouTube video, the thing had already worked out far. So I just told myself, you know what? Let's just leave it like that. I'll be able to manipulate it to still fit into what I want. I manipulated it, but the thing did not manipulate. So today, it's not really a tutorial. I'll give you the purpose at the end of the day. So I just showed you the items I needed for the tutorial. That was the bead, the needle and thread, the scissors. Everything is matching today orange. Like, this video is an orange video. So I'm putting the needle into the strip right now, and I tied it and made it tight. So I'm going to be putting the thread into. This particular bead was 10 inches and in 2 yards. That's what the owner wanted. It was for a particular bride. I'll show you the dress at the end of the day. So I actually put it, and then by the time I get to the length I want, I'll put the sand bead under it and lock it. I didn't show you that part in this video because I tired. It was just a lazy day. I don't know who can relate to that laziness, but yeah, that's what happened. So this was it when I finished the first strip, and this is it when I had finished the whole 2 yards. So yeah, I finished it. You see my sleeve there, orange, yeah. So yeah, this is what it looks like when the bride rocked it. This is beautiful. I think it's beautiful. How do you say? You see that thing that she did in her mouth? You know when you're tired of smiling? That's what happened. So this is another shot, another view of it. So this particular video, the purpose right now is to sell my beads. Please buy Beaded Fringe from me. Whatever color you want, whatever length you want, kindly call me up to make beaded fringes for you. That's the purpose of this video, since the video did not have a purpose. I look forward to your patron. I look forward to you calling me up. I can even bead your dresses fully if you want as well, please. Thank you very much.